Today, class, we will learn place value, learning competencies. The learners determine the place value of a digit in a three-digit number, the value of a digit, and the digit of a number given its place value. So, aalamin natin ano ang place value sa three-digit number. Ano ang value ng mga numbers, and then ano ang digit na nasa place value. Let's try. Which digit is in the ones place? Try to answer. Another one. Which digit is in the tens place in 123? Now, which digit is in the hundreds place in 934? So, aalamin natin yung mga digit na nasa place value. For value, try to know what is the value of 1 in ones place. What is the value of 9 in tens place? And what is the value of 2 in hundred place? And then, let us identify what is the digit in ones place. What is the digit in the tens place? 984. And what is the digit in the hundreds place in 321? If you know the answers, good job. Now, understanding digits, the values of the digits, and the place positions of the digits. Place value tells us the value of its digit based on its position in a number. So ano ba yung mga numbers at ano ang place value ng mga numbers in a three-digit number? So in a three-digit number, we have the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place values. So ang place values natin are ones, tens, and hundreds. So let us know what are the place values in ones, tens, and hundreds given the digits. Let's have an example. Let's look for the place value of 345. So in the digits 345, we have 3 in hundreds place. We have 4 in tens place, and we have 5 in ones place. So look at the number. So you will start from 5, that is in the ones place, and 4, that is in the tens place, and 3 in the hundreds place. So mag-start tayo sa kanang number pakaliwa. And then we will start in ones, tens, and hundreds. So this is now the place value. Another example, in 914, 9 is in the hundreds place, 1 is in the tens place, and 4 is in the ones place. So remember, let's start from 1. So ones, the digit is 4, and the 1 is in the tens place value, and then in hundreds, 9 is in the hundreds value. Now, you try to answer this one. In 145, what is in the ones place, what is in the tens place, and what is in the hundreds place? You may answer in your paper. In 567, what is in the ones place, what is in the tens place, and what is in the hundreds place? That is the place value. Now, what is the value of a digit in ones, tens, and hundreds place? Hahanapin naman natin dito yung digit. Ano yung digit in ones place, in tens place, and in hundreds place? The value of a digit is the digit multiplied by the place it is in. So let's have an example. In 682, the value of 6 is hundreds. So dahil 100 siya, we will multiply it in 100. Or we can add 2 zeros in the hundreds place. The value of 8 is 80. So that is in the tens place. The value is 80. So in the tens place, we will just add 0 to look, or 2 to know that it is in 80 value. Remember, 2 zeros 100 place, and then 1 zero sa tens place. And in the ones place, just copy the number that is in the ones place. Kapag 2 siya, 2 lang. Wala na tayong idadagdag na 0. So in the ones place, kung ano yung digit sa ones place, yun yung value niya. Kung ano naman ang digit sa tens place, we will just add 0. And then, kung ano ang value or digit in the hundreds place, add lang natin ng 2 zeros. Okay, let's have an example in 345. The value of 3 is 300 because it's in the hundreds place. The value of 4 is 40 because it is in the tens place. And as it is 5 in ones place. Another example, in 914, the value of 4 in ones place is still 4. But the value of 1 in tens place become 10. And the value of 9 is 900. Try to answer this. In 749, what is the value of 7, 4, and 9? Try to answer this in your paper. And then in 543, what is the value of 7, 4, and 9? Or rather, what is the value of 3, 4, and 5? Please correct the numbers. Value of 3, 4, and 5. Now, let us identify the digit by its place. You can also find the digit if you know its place value. Alam mo na yung place value, alam mo na yung number or digit. So what digit has a value of 700 in 748? Of course, the digit is 7. What digit is in the tens place in 682? Of course, the tens place is 8. So the digit is 8. Now, let's have an example in 345. The digit in hundreds place is 3. Then the digit in tens place is 4. The digit in ones place is 5. So remember, place value is ones, tens, hundreds. The digits are, the digit in ones is 5, the digit in tens is 4, the digit in hundreds is 3. The value of 5 in ones is 5. The value of 4 in tens is 40. The value of 3 in hundreds is 300. In 914 example, the digit in hundreds place is 9, in tens place is 1, the digit in ones place is 4. The place value of 4 is ones. The place value of 1 is in the tens place value. The place value of 9 is in the hundreds place value. The value of 4 stays the same 4. The value of 1 is 10. And then the value of 9 is 9 hundredths. So easy, diba, kids? In 312, what is the digit in hundreds place? Now try to answer this also. What is the digit in hundreds place? What is the digit in tens place? And what is the digit in ones place? In 891, try to find the digit in hundreds place, in tens place, and in ones place. Now let's try to practice. Try to answer this also in your paper. What is the value of 5 in 457? Ang hinahanap ay value. Ano ang value ng 5? Which digit is in the hundreds place in 839? Now, look for the digit in 839. What is the value of the digit in the tens place in 361? Look for the value of the digit in the tens place. Another one, what is the value of 9 in 349? Look for the value of 9. Which digit is in the tens place in 839? And lastly, what is the value of the digit in the hundreds place in 361? So our lesson for this week is about value, place value, and then the digit given its place value. Now we will study this chunk by chunk when we get back into our classroom. So I'll see you, and I hope na you can review the lesson, you can study the lesson in advance.